Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of his fateful trip. It started in this rural town aboard this tiny whip.
Little spill. Well, that's pretty good. 40.2 miles and only 0.775 gallons. So that's right upwards to 50 miles per gallon. Dude, I only use 3/4 of a gallon. All right, now we're going to go through Ridge Manor Estates subdivision. Yeah, instead of going through just riding up the highway. I'm trying to find a route where like Sam can go with us, where she doesn't have to ride over 55 anywhere, you know. We ride parallel on these lime rock roads, you won't get like, yeah, you won't have like jawbreaker sized boogers.
Rip my tag off. Let me go back and grab it. Well, there's my tag. I got some zip tie that thing. I'm gonna see how much carnage I did. I've had this taillight on about 2 weeks. But I hit that bump back there and it tucked under and caught the tire. Yeah. Not my first rodeo. Well, actually, I've never been to a rodeo. I-75.
My first time camping in this area was about 1977, and call my mom and get some pictures. I'm sure she has some. I remember riding on the gas tank of my father's Suzuki GT380, and the huge cooler strapped to the sissy bar, and we camped right in this area. I know it was just a few hundred yards from the bridge on I-75. And I believe this is the camping trip where I learned that fire was hot. I recall myself, and I guess the couple that was with my parents, she burned herself too. I think we just stuck our hand in the fire, if I recall. But yeah, so ever since then, I've never done it again. I've learned fire hot. off to the right over here is the Florida National Cemetery. I don't know the exact name of it, and I'll put a satellite picture. It's pretty massive. My buddy Will works over there as a loader operator, moving crypts around. It's pretty crazy in here. Great. Boomer on a tricycle doing 22 miles an hour. So now we've worked our way across from downtown Inverness. Now we're in the north end of Citrus Wildlife Management Area. Oh, low-hanging vine. Yeah, that CSC that's a pretty bike. I mean, it appears to be really well built. I know there's a lot of people out there that poo-poo any Chinese bike, but man, for $6,000 for that bike compared to a GS, or I mean, is it as good as a GS? No, but you're gonna go do the same thing on it. But I mean, if you're worried about what people think or what brand shoes you have, it really, you know, you're that shallow, then you probably, a China bike's not for you. But yeah, if you don't care what people think, you just want to go out and have fun, yeah, these are perfect. Here we got a little sugar sand section. You know what they say, just lean back and pin it. Works like a champ.
Yeah, no, just go faster. Faster, it goes, you'll right through it.
If you guys haven't had a chance, go check out Anthony's channel. He does a ton of videos on the Hawk 250, his CSC, Subaru, mountain biking, kayaking, all in the Central Florida area. So if you live around here, or you want to visit, and you want to know what we have, his channel is a good source. I'll put a link down in the description. Or if you just want to Google or do a search on YouTube, just put in Anthony Medina Hawk, and all of his videos come up. Alright, well, we have made it out of the forest and onto my buddy's land. So I'm just gonna search around here, try to find a good spot with some deadfall that's not too rotted. And looks like the spot right here.